on my my God, video. Please share it, like it, just to have people join in my. Hey, what is going on, guys? Iron Corey here. Today I'm replacing my shifter with a short shifter. So I got this from americanmuscle.com, and hopefully it's going to shift a lot more shorter. It's not going to be as long. Some people always say that shifting the Mustang, it's like a semi-truck. It's like so long, you're rowing a boat, and it's not like that at all. I am a CDL driver, and if you compare this transmission to a semi-truck, you clearly have not drove a semi-truck. So I'm gonna give you a distance example. So I got my water bottle here. We're gonna put it in 4th gear. So there's about a 2-inch difference right there. So hopefully that's gonna shorten it up. And maybe if it shortens it up enough, I might be able to use the front water bottle holder. See, that's the one downfall of the regular stock shifter is you can't use a water bottle, your first water bottle holder, because if you do, you're gonna take out your drink. And I've done that from experience. Okay, so I just installed the short shifter. It is a lot shorter than I anticipated, but 4th gear, that's 4th gear. That right there is 4th gear. Now, let me get this out of the way. You can remember my water bottle was about 2 inches kind of farther back, but I can use that water bottle holder now. Like, I have to put my hand over the top, but it's not gonna destroy it at all. And back here, no problem whatsoever. I'll give you a better view of this. All right, here's a better view. So 4th gear right there. It's maybe an inch now, but the shifter was like way up here, so it would just hit my water bottle, but it's not going to hit it anymore. I'll use the water bottle holder back there, but this is just so much shorter. I can't describe it other than you have to drive one of these and have the experience. But honestly, definitely invest in one of these. It's a little bit spendy, but it's worth the money. Hey, so I hope you guys enjoyed that little review of the short shifter. I'm going to link American Muscle where I got that shifter from, and I'm going to link Chris Fix on there because his tutorial was super helpful, super amazing, and he definitely deserves the support. But if you want to, you can support me as well by subscribing, checking out the future videos I post, and liking the video. Sharing it would be super awesome. It helps me get a little bit more out there, grow my channel. Well, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Later.